how to compute the grades of the students. So now I have here an examples, the written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment of the students. So now let's begin. So the first students, which is the total score of this written task is 55 points. So the formula with it of this is the equal sign and the word sum, open parentheses, and add all scores of the students, and then close parentheses and click enter, and that's it. This is the scores of the students. So we will drag it down. Alright, so this is the total score of the students. And let's proceed to the percentage score, so which is 100. Alright, so the formula with this is the equal sign, open parentheses, and we click G5, divide pila ang total, which is 55, so G4, and close parentheses, times 100, and don't forget to put between sa G4 the dollar sign, and then click enter. So this is the percentage score of the students sa written task, and we will drag it down. Alright, so this is the scores, and we will proceed the weighted score of the students. So we will multiply it by 40%, which is 0.40 or 4.2. Alright, so the formula is the equal sign and H5 times 40%, which is 0.40, and then click enter. So this is the average of the students. So we will drag it down. Alright, so this is the final weighted score sa written task. So let's proceed to the performance task. So I have here the total number or the total score, which is 45. So we will compute it. So same with the total score of the written works. So the formula is the equal sign and the word sum, open parentheses, and we will add the scores of the performance task of the students, and close parentheses and click enter. So that's it, the score. So we will drag it down. Alright, so this is the total score of the students. And the performance task na po na siya percentage score and weighted score. So we will compute it. So same with the written works. The formula is the equal sign, open parentheses, and we click L5, divide pila ang total score sa performance task, which is 45. So L4, close parentheses, times 100, and don't forget to put between the L4 the dollar sign, and click enter. What happened? Wait, so the formula equal sign, open parentheses, L5 divide L4, then close parentheses, times 100, and the dollar sign, click. So this is the percentage score of the students. So we will drag it down to compute all. So this is the scores, the percentage scores sa performance tasks sa mga students. So we will proceed to the weighted score, 40% gihapon. So the formula is the equal sign, and then we click M5 times, so 40%, so 0.40, click enter. So this is the average of weighted scores sa performance test sa students. So we will drag it down to compute all the weighted scores sa mga students. So that's it. And let's proceed to the quarterly scores sa mga students. So I have here 50 scores, or 50 item of the quarter exam. So we will compute its a percentage score, so which is 100, and the formula is the equal sign and open parenthesis, then we click M5 divide M4 close parenthesis times 100, and don't forget to put the $sign, click, and then gawas ang percentage scores sa students. So we will drag it down para makompute ang ubang scores. So that's it. So the quarterly na po siya weighted score. So ang kalahian lang niya sa written works and performance test is our quarterly is na siya 20%, which is 0.20 ra ang atong times. So same with the equal sign, the formula equal sign, and then Q4 times 0.20, enter. So this is the scores, and we will drag it down. Alright, so now we will going to compute na the initial grade of the students. So the initial grade, so na siya pag-compute ang atong kuwaon ra, which is the weighted score sa students. So the formula is the equal sign and the word sum, open parenthesis, so L5, N5, and R5, close parenthesis, and click enter. So this is the initial grade of the students. So let's check it again. So equal sign, then sum, open parenthesis, L5, N5, R5, then close parenthesis, and so that's it. So we will drag it down. Alright. So 100 no, nalubra 101. So pagamyan ni na to. Wait lang. So tagana na to ni siya 48. Ay 48. 40. 28. So 97. So now let's compute the initial grade or the quarter grade of the students. So I have here the transmuted grade sa DepEd. So dito mag-based sa scores or the quarter grades sa students. So 97.44. So pangitaw na ito dito 97.44. 97. So na siya na belong sa Diri nga part, which is 98. So 97.22, so na po siya nabilong diri. So 98 yung grade, quarter grade. 88.58, 88.58. So na siya din nabilong. 93, 70.78, 70.78. So na siya din nabilong. 70, 81, 82.40. So siya bilong. So 89, 86.80, 86. So na siya din nabilong. Apart. So 91, 86.29, same. 91, 91.62, daring apart. So 94, 94.31, 94. So na siya din nabilong. So 96, 96.53. So 97, 90.36. Diri siya nabilong. Diri daay. So 94, 98.31, 98 sa diri. So 98, 87.28, diri nga part. 92, 93.96. So diri nga part. 96. And lastly, 85.9. So 85.9. So na siya din nabilong. So 90. So that's it, the final or the quarter grade of the students.